Hi everyone. Tonight's supper is going to be a slow cooker Popeye's Copycat red beans and rice. So what all goes into the slow cooker Popeye's Copycat red beans and rice? 1 pound dried red beans soaked overnight, drained and rinsed, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 3 celery stalks, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 green pepper seeded and chopped, 3 green onions chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, and I'm just going to be using the already minced stuff, 3½ cups of water, 2 2/3 cup beef broth, and I have unsalted, which it doesn't have to be, that's just what I had, 1/2 teaspoon crushed red peppers, 1 to 2 smoked ham hocks, and you want to score the skin in a diamond pattern. If you don't have smoked, you can use uncooked ham hocks, and 4 cups hot cooked rice. So let's begin. Take a large skillet, put your heat on medium high, add your 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, add your 3 stalks of celery chopped, your 1 medium onion chopped, your 1 green bell pepper chopped, your 3 green onions chopped, and your 2 cloves of garlic. Stir often for about 6 minutes or until the onions are tender. The onions are tender, we'll add them to the crock pot. I've never had Popeye's red beans and rice, so I don't know if this is actually going to taste like it or not. But it's going to be good, I can tell that already with the ingredients that we're putting in. Then add the beans. Then stir them with the vegetables. Then add the 3½ cups of water. There's 2, 3½. Then add the 2 2/3 cups beef broth. And since beef broth is salted, it didn't call for any salt, but my beef broth is unsalted, so I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And you can just add yours to taste, or just use the salted beef broth. I went for many years without using any salt at all, so I still don't use a whole lot of salt. Then add the 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red peppers, and then give that a stir. Then take your ham hocks, and they say bury it under the beans, so that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Put on your lid, turn it to low, and cook on low for 9 hours or until the beans are tender. So we'll see you later on tonight. So it's been 9 hours. I just took out the ham hocks. I'll be taking the skin and the fat off of them and then shred it and then put it back into the slow cooker. So here are the 2 ham hocks shredded up. So we'll put it back into the crock pot and stir it up, and then we'll be ready to dish it up. So here is the slow cooker Popeye Copycat red beans over rice, and rounding out the meal is cornbread. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It's got a lot of meat in it.
2 ham hocks.
Click in the bowl. What is this supposed to be?
It is a slow cooker Popeye's Copycat red beans and rice.
Oh. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.